Today I'm using dust to make it delicious. Welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame, and to my subscribers, nice to see you. On my Weber Q, I'm cooking Smokey BBQ Chicken using this stuff which I got from my local garden centre. It's Beechwood Dust mixed with loads of herbs and spices. So come on, let's get to the grill and get on with it. Get the wrapping off and get it onto the grill. It recommends not to use this dust above 205 degrees C. I'm going to cook at around 200. This chicken is what my butcher calls chicken supreme. It's a breast fillet with skin on and the wing bone in place. I'm rubbing the skin side lightly with oil and seasoning with a grind of black pepper only. So let's get it onto the grill. After about 20 minutes cooking, it's time to add a little more of that smoky flavour in the shape of my homemade smoky barbecue sauce. This is where the magic happens. Just look at that lovely colour, and the smell is out of this world. Close the lid and cook for another 10 minutes. When the internal temperature reaches 74 degrees C, the chicken is safe to eat and cooked. So it's off the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. If you've been inspired by this video or found it helpful, then please sub my channel. All you have to do is click the button below, activate and ding the bell, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Now, here's the recipe recap. I can tell you that chicken was tasty, melt in the mouth with that unctuous smoky flavour. And on that note, it's goodbye from me, the old geezer at the grill, the dude of the food, and I'll leave you with one more look at that delicious smoky barbecued chicken.